हेलो हाय छोड़िए, जय श्री राम बोलिए। वेलकम टू आवर चैनल घूमने चलो। We are back with third video of the series Places to Visit Around Bangalore. Are you living in Bangalore or want to explore places around Bangalore? Then you are at the right place. We brought two videos sharing with you the information about the places around Bangalore. First one was between 0 to 50, second one with 50 to 100 kilometers. If you haven't watched it, watch them after this video. Links are in the description. This video presents 50 places between 100 to 200 kilometers from Bangalore. A few disclaimers. I want to give credit to respective owners of all the photos used in this video. The distance of places depends on which part of Bangalore you live in and which route you take. And one last important thing. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel as we bring you more videos for your interest. Without any further delay, let's start the video. The 50 places we show you are categorized into these categories: Adventure and Trekking 6, Hill Station 2, Lakes and Reservoir 5, Nature and Wildlife 8, Offbeat Destination 6, Spiritual Sites 17, Waterfalls 6. Bilkal Rangaswamy Betta, 120 kilometers, a trekking spot near Kanakpura with beautiful views and small temple. Chikballapur, 100 kilometers, home to multiple trekking spots like Nandi Hills, Avla Betta and Gudibande Fort. Devrayan Durga, 120 kilometers, a hill station with beautiful temples and trekking trails. Gudibande Fort, 110 kilometers, a lesser known trekking spot with a beautiful lake view at the top. Madhugiri Fort, 133 kilometers, home to Asia's second largest monolith, ideal for trekking and history lovers. Elagiri Hills, 145 kilometers, a small hill station in Tamil Nadu, ideal for weekend getaways and adventure activities like paragliding. BR Hills, 180 kilometers, a wildlife-rich area offering serene views and cultural experiences. Javadi Hills, 170 kilometers, a peaceful hill retreat in Tamil Nadu, ideal for weekend getaway. Harangi Dam, 180 kilometers, offers serene views and picnic spots. Hemavati Reservoir, 165 kilometers, a beautiful spot near Gorur village. Krishnagiri Dams, 165 kilometers, picturesque dam with boating options. Markanhalli Dam, 110 kilometers, a calm and quiet spot near Tumkur for a relaxing day out. Tonur Kere, 155 kilometers, a nice place to sit and relax with family and friends. Pushpagiri Wildlife Sanctuary, 180 kilometers, close to temples and nature. Bhimeshwari Fishing Camp, 110 kilometers, ideal for river rafting, trekking, fishing and wildlife spotting near the Kaveri River. Jaya Mangali Black Bug Reserve, 130 kilometers, a lesser known reserve near Tumkur, perfect for spotting black bugs. Kabini Backwaters, 175 kilometers, perfect for wildlife safaris, boat rides and bird watching. Kokrebellur, 101 kilometers, a village known for its harmonious coexistence with pelicans and painted storks. Masti Malu, 100 kilometers, known as Chota Ladakh. You can visit this place, take some photos and show to your friends mentioning you visited Ladakh. Rangnath Hittu Bird Sanctuary, 144 kilometers, a heaven for bird watchers located near Mysore. Sakleshpur, 180 kilometers. Hill station with lush greenery and coffee plantations. Banvasi, 180 kilometers. Known as the first capital of Karnataka with ancient temples. Kurg Madikeri, 190 kilometers. Known for coffee plantations, misty hills and Raja's Seat. Doda Makkali, 100 kilometers. A serene riverside destination for camping and adventure activities. Mysore, 180 kilometers. A city rich in heritage and palaces, and don't miss out to visit Chamundeswari Temple, Zoo and Philomena Church. Sri Rangapatna, 130 kilometers. Known for Ranganatha Swami Temple, Tipu Sultan's Summer Palace and historical significance. Baswan Betta, 105 kilometers. A small but serene hill for light trekking. Mulbagal, 132 kilometers. A small town with ancient temples including the Avani Temple and Someshwara Temple. Nanjangud, 162 kilometers, known for Sri Kanteshwara Temple. Avani, 100 kilometers, known as the Gaya of the South, with a temple complex linked to the Ramayana. Bellur, 153 kilometers. Famous for the intricate Hoysala temples. Channarayana Durga Fort, 154 kilometers. A ruined hill fort offering a blend of history and adventure. Dodda Maluru, 146 kilometers. Known for the Aprameya Swami Temple and its intricate carvings. Halebeedu, 155 kilometers. Known for the Hoysaleswara Temple and exquisite stone carvings. Hassan, 183 kilometers. A cultural hub with temples, historical sites and coffee estates. Kanipakkam Vinayaka Temple, 200 kilometers. A famous Ganesha temple near Chittoor in Andhra Pradesh. Kollar, 120 kilometers. The historic city of gold offers you Koti Lingeshwara Temple, Hanumanthappa Temple and heritage site for Goddess Durga. Kurdumalle Ganesha Temple, 110 kilometers. Ancient temple dedicated to Lord Ganesha, believed to be built during the Vijayanagara Empire. Lepakshi, 150 kilometers. A town in Andhra Pradesh with the famous Veerbhadra temple and monolithic Nandi statue. Male Mahadeshwara Hills, 180 kilometers. A pilgrimage site surrounded by dense forest and scenic hills. Melukotte, 140 kilometers. A temple town with Cheluva Narayana Swami temple and scenic views of surrounding hills. Shravanabelagola, 160 kilometers. A renowned Jain pilgrimage site with the massive monolithic statue of Lord Gomateshwara. Somnathpura, 160 kilometers. Famous for the intricate Hoysala architecture and Chennakeswar temple. Talakadu, 133 kilometers. An ancient town buried in sand dunes with temples dedicated to Lord Shiva. Ballamuri Falls, 153 kilometers. A beautiful waterfall for a day out. Chuchi Falls, 110 kilometers. A tranquil waterfall with rocky surroundings, great for nature lover. Hognekal Falls, 110 kilometers. The Niagara of India, known for coracle rides and scenic beauty. Kaigal Falls, 150 kilometers. Located in Andhra Pradesh, it is a tranquil spot for nature enthusiasts. Sangama and Mekedatu, 103 kilometers, a picturesque confluence of rivers Kaveri and Arkavati with unique rock formation. Sivana Samudra, 133 kilometers, famous for its twin waterfalls Barachuki and Gaganchuki. So, these were the places which you can plan to visit. You might have visited some of the places or you find some places not in the list. In either case, comment and let us know. You can reach out to us on our Instagram page and DM for any questions. That's all in this video. See you in the next video. Till then, be safe. Jai Shri Ram.